Hi everyone, it's been a while. So right now, I'm gonna share to you on how to share your template link from Canva to your customers para ma-edit nila yung design na binebenta ninyo. So right now, andito tayo ngayon sa Canva and example, ibebenta ko tong product na to and gusto kong ma-edit din ng customer ko yung design na to. So, paano natin ibibigay sa customer natin yung design or product na to? Na gusto natin na ma-edit din nila or pwede nilang ma-edit. So, punta tayo dito sa arrow na to and then see all. Then, hanapin natin yung template link. Ayan. Template link. Then, create a template link. And then, after that, i-copy natin. Then, yun yung isa-send natin sa ating customer. Ipipaste natin yung template link. Example, ayan, nabigay na natin kay buyer and then i-open ni buyer yun. So, paste and go. So, ganito yung magiging itsura. Ayan, a template link created by Elle was shared with you. So, start designing view template after that. So, yung design niyo is pwede na din ma-edit ni customer. So, that's it. So, easy, diba? So, if you want more tutorials about Canva and how to sell digital products, please follow for more.